Ever dreamt of building your own hotel empire, brick by digital brick? Well, today's tutorial will walk you through the essential steps to kickstart your very own My Perfect Hotel game using Unity. We'll break down the core mechanics, show you smart asset integration, and share efficient coding practices to build a hotel simulation game that's both immersive and engaging. First steps first, let's talk assets. Unity Asset Store is your best friend. Search for packages with pre-made hotel models, furniture, and even character animations. Consider low-poly assets to optimize performance. Especially starting out, download and import your chosen asset packages into your Unity project. Now it's time to set up your base scene. Start with the foundational elements: the terrain, the walls of your hotel, and the basic room structures. Drag and drop your imported assets to furnish rooms, create hallways, and design your lobby. Focus on snapping objects to the grid for easy alignment and precise placements. Let's build the backbone of the game. We're talking about creating scripts for these core mechanics: user interactions, customer A, and resource management. Create player scripts for controlling the camera and user interface. Add customer A scripts for random events and interactions. And implement resource management scripts for money, materials, supplies, and electricity. Name your new folders descriptively. Time to flesh out the gameplay. Implement features like room customization. Create a UI that lets the player select furniture, change wallpaper, and upgrade amenities in each room. Tie this to your resource management system, so upgrades cost money and provide benefits. Finally, let's add animation. Create animations for staff and customers, people checking out, checking in, interacting with other people. This brings the hotel to life. Experiment and find the animations you like. And there you have it, a basic framework for your My Perfect Hotel game. Remember, this is just the beginning. Keep experimenting, refining your code, and adding more features to truly make it your perfect hotel empire. Good luck and happy developing!